Here's some animal husbandry trivia. Subscribe. Which animal is primarily raised for milk production? Is it A, chickens, B, dairy cattle, C, pigs, or D, sheep? The correct answer is B, dairy cattle. What term describes the science of breeding animals? Is it A, wildlife management, B, animal ethics, C, animal husbandry, or D, zoology? The correct answer is C, animal husbandry. Which animal is known for producing wool? Is it A, sheep, B, goat, C, rabbit, or D, camel? The correct answer is A, sheep. What breed of horse is known for speed and racing? Is it A, Arabian, B, thoroughbred, C, Appaloosa, or D, Clydesdale? The correct answer is B, thoroughbred. What is the largest domesticated bird? Is it A, ostrich, B, emu, C, duck, or D, goose? The correct answer is A, ostrich. What term is used for castrated male sheep? Is it A, wether, B, ewe, C, kid, or D, ram? The correct answer is A, wether. What is the common name for a female goat? Is it A, nanny, B, kid, C, billy, or D, sire? The correct answer is A, nanny. What animal is known for producing the finest wool? Is it A, rabbit, B, cow, C, horse, or D, merino sheep? The correct answer is D, merino sheep. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.